Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In this video, I'm going to show you this topic, Forex synthetic indices signal infinity theory. Okay, this theory is very important in the Forex synthetic indices trading, but a lot of people have been losing so much because of this idea. But that's why I want to expose this. But it's not that it is 100%. The truth is, most of the time, about 75 to 85% of time, market is subject to this theory. Okay, so you don't just need to rely on it, because it's not 100%. But probabilistically and statistically, it tends to control overall market behavior. Okay, now if market is pointing in a direction, say D, then it is likely going to have maximum signal in that direction for infinity period of time. This theory is independent of market structures or time frame of analysis. It tends to remove Lossy reversals. Now let's get a bigger picture of this market. Structurally, we expect this market to do what? Sell near these zones. Okay, then why is it not selling? Now we can go back to a certain time frame to see that selling here will be we now hold due to the theory of signal infinity. The market is pointing in this direction. Why I say it's pointing in this direction is because the displacement is in this direction. When I mean displacement, it is breaking level in this direction. Okay, that's what I mean by displacement. It is breaking level in this direction. So when it is breaking levels in this direction, when it is breaking some structures in this direction, and increasing in distances, it actually means that the direction is up. And because the direction is up, the signal is going to be strong in the up direction than in the downward direction. Even though that seems to be a sell signal near this area, that sell signal will not hold based on this law. So the market will tend to spend time, okay, in the up direction. Now if market is spending time in the up direction, then there will be a maximum displacement in that direction. So why should you trade against such displacement? It's impossible to make it when you are trading against such displacement. So let's look a market like cash 1000 index. Okay, let's consider cash 1000 index in the daily time, in the H4 time frame. Okay, now let's consider the event that happened between here and here. Okay, let's assume that we have not brought the market to this node or this swing point, which will be a support. And let's assume that as an observer, we are observing this market at this node or at this point. Okay, now because there is a break of level, the structure here, so we can say the market is pointing downward, because once assets break a level or structure, a kind of loop, a kind of structure, a kind of pause, where market pause and break it. Once such thing happen, the market points in that direction. So we can say that crash 1000 points in the downward direction. Okay, so the theory says that it doesn't care about the resistances and support or other structural elements in the market. It doesn't care about the time frame, that this market is going to remain going, like is going to remain in the downward direction for infinity period of time. Now, the property of time being infinity shows that there is high tendency that the displacement, that is the price distances, the differences between current price and the futuristic price is going to be large, and that is opportunity to make more profit. So you see that the market keep going down by this theory, just going down. Like some people that are not informed about this idea will be trying to sell this market near here, or trying to sell this market near here. Why are they doing this? They are doing it because of the event that happened in the past, that the market bought here, then it will buy here. No, that's why I say the theory eliminates the Lossy reversals. Okay, there is this reversibility theory. I think I might introduce that theory here. The reversibility theory says that at any given point in time in the price movement along the active path, like along the current path, I think this will be much more explained in the lower time frame. So this is active path, which is downwards. Then if you select a point, cover it with a geometrical shape, let's say a circle. So let's pick this point, or let's use a rectangle. I will cover this point here. Okay, so the reversibility theory says that if a market let's use let's select a point that is along the major direction. So let's select this point, which is downward direction. So we select this point. If a market is actively, like, is moving in the given direction along the active path, okay, the probability of having a successful reversal of that market tends to go to zero, meaning that it is practically and idealistically impossible to reverse a market until that market reverses itself. No matter what the other structural element is telling you, or other technical tools are telling you, it is practically impossible to reverse a market. Meaning that all traders that are reversing market tend to lose more money than traders that join market that have already reversed. So this is the reversibility theory. Nothing is 100% when a video is released, but the truth is, if you feel like you are not doing well in your trading, or when you watch video it will work and stuff for some time, the truth is that trading and market events are chaotic, meaning that they come with a lot of time variant events, that what you see today will not be what you see tomorrow, will not be what you see next tomorrow. Some laws or theory that hold last year may not hold this year, or it might hold, but it will come with a lot of manipulation. See, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you really want to make it big in this game, you have to either become my patron, that, like, you have to learn constantly. You can become my patron, or you can join my VIP signal group channels. You can enroll for my classes, so that you get the spirit, like the idea, the spirit, the lifestyle. Trading is a lifestyle, is a culture. If you have the same mindset I have, the same skill I have, the same ability I have, the same aptitude I have, you will go far. Are you getting it? You have to be my disciple for you to make it here. So 3 things: become my patron, subscribe to my VIP groups. I have almost 4 VIP groups, different VIP groups. Make sure you become a member of one, and then enroll for my courses, so that you become structured and discipled, to behave, to have the same thinking and make money because trading is all about making a good decision and clicking buttons. So you have to know how to make decision. Are you buying at a point or are you selling at a point? All of that comes with being educated in this game. Thank you. Bye for now.
If you're prepared to break the silence,